is 7:45 in the morning on elimination day. Morning. Dad is packing up our final things. We're getting ready to say goodbye to the cruise, the trash can, stateroom 7054. Look how depressing this is. Dad, don't forget your Mickey hat. Kenzie's final stop to her little bathroom to brush her teeth. Hey, Dad's TV. Why is Galveston such an ugly port, Dad? Maybe because it matches the hot of its people. Just kidding. It's 8 something in the morning. And we are taking Dad and Judy up to Cabana's for one final plate. Judy is, like every teenager, tired. It's so cold. Oh my gosh, and dark and ugly. Ugh. And we are the only ones out here. Cabana's better be open. Twinning with Dad. One final little stop at Cabana's. Oh my god, this is the most depressing thing ever. Good morning. Dad is crying on the inside right now. You have no idea. He's acting all cool, calm, and collected, but he is incredibly depressed. This is his favorite place on the ship. Not Kenzie's. This is not the kind of view we were used to. This is like, get the hell off our ship. Our final Cabana's table. This is just too much. Too much. I've spent this trip being so big and brave, big boy. Having sausage for the first time, and my fear just came through. I just bit into something hard in it, Kenz. I'm not kidding. I bit into the hard thing.
It happens.
Kenz, and just like that, I will not eat sausage for probably another 10 years. This is a cute video. Kenzie just said, we've been on the Wonder. I thought we were on the train.
We're leaving.
Bye, Cabana.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Okay, well, I'll call you in a bit. Love you. We will. Call you in a bit. You too.
That's just so sad, Dad.
I know, I'm really sad. Dad and me are crying in the elevator. Kenzie doesn't care. She just wants to see her friends and go be girls.
Didi, this is the talk show. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how sad are you?
10.
Dad, on a scale of 1 to 10, how sad are you?
10.
Really?
Oh, duh.
What, Dad? Final stop on this quiet ship to Shutters to go get our photo flash drive. Doing one catwalk strut down the hall for the final time. Little cuddles happening back there. Lots of caffeine. Okay, Brian. Lots of caffeine energy going on here. Can't wait to get my Starbucks. Go home and play with all of our Disney Cruise toys. Oh, the inside staterooms. Man, I'm glad we didn't have one of those. You whispering about me, bro? It's 8:15 and they just called our luggage tags. We got Dad's little survey that he took very carefully and filled it out. What, sweetheart? Yeah, I'm sure I got everything. What are you gonna miss the most about your room?
Definitely not at night.
Kenzie didn't sleep very well this cruise. Just, you know, like free room service and the view of the ocean?
Yeah. And just hanging with my fan.
Aw, come bring it in, bring it in. Oh, here we go. Let's go, honey. 7054. Bye-bye. Got it? Bye-bye.
You gotta finish the video because I didn't.
Oh, I will, baby. Here we go. Deck 3, Dad. The only things that Didi's excited for is Starbucks, real good coffee, and copper. So sad. Our little mouseketeer with her little gloves on. This is so cute.
Oh, the comment party, right?
Oh, yeah. Where do I... Thank you. Bye. I have to go. Good morning. Thank you. Brian. Thank you. Do please. I don't want to go back to real life. In real life, adults have to like make money and wake up and stuff. It's stupid. It just felt like our life was a dream from the moment we opened our eyes. Okay, ugly wall and ugly life thing. Dad said he knows it only says morning. He said he knows it only says exit, but he said it feels like it says GTFO. All these chipper workers saying goodbye to us over and over. Dad said it feels like they're throwing mounds of salt on us and we're covered in wounds. Huh, Dad? How funny. This is a Donald area. There's like no bags but ours. Disney cruise number 11 is over. Bye. Watch out, real world. Here we come. Say bye, Disney cruise.
Bye, Disney cruise.
Normally it's like, welcome home. Now it's like, get the hell out of here. Brian's crying.
Goodbye, twist and spell.
Oh, Dad is making his amends with the Disney Wonder. And now it's just a wall, but it's still his grieving process.
We just picked up Copper after a long trip, a long drive. Oh, he's so happy to see us. You happy? Yeah. He looks so sleepy.
Little boy. Did he see you guys? My face is in the picture.
Oh. So happy to see Copper again. Copper!
Coppery.